Yo, what is up? It's your boy Lone Wolf, and I'm trying to be more active with my YouTube and all that, and try to make some content. So, with that being said, what I have for you guys today, I just received my rev9 6062 billet wheel turbo. I previously had a normal rev9 6062, which you can see I took apart. For what I'm saying, I tried to fix it, get new bearings for it. Core rev9, they told me I could use any T3, T4 rebuild kit off eBay. Well, I did that, and they came with the wrong size bearings. So these were the ones from the previous one. Clearly, you can see it was leaking some oil. Had a lot of shaft play. I did order a turbo about 2 weeks ago, a little over 2 weeks ago, and it just didn't come. I don't know. I called UPS. UPS said they don't have no package in their system. It's still with the shipper. Call the company. The company says they shipped it. I don't know. So I got my refund. Went different company on eBay. Ordered it 2-day express shipping. And here we are. Look at that. I'm not going to lie. That is pretty. That is nice. My car's been down for so long, I'm ready to get this thing running on the road again. Let me take it out the box. Yeah, here we are. Beautiful. So on my last one, I believe I had the 6.65 AR. I know it says it on here somewhere. I really don't feel like looking for it, but I believe this one was the .65, and this one is the 70. So I loved it. I had to get another one. It's not an expensive turbo. I paid $322 for it. Came out to like 4 and change with the express 2-day shipping. I love the spool time on it. I'm running a fully built GSR other than cams. CSS bottom, rated for 700. With the 2.5 on it, should be making around 5. Hoping to get it on the dyno soon. I do have my spare build, my GSR cams, GSR head. I got a block under the table that's already been more or so block filled. I got the rods from my other block that I blew, my Eagle rods, sitting out there. I just got to take those out. And I basically have a whole nother build. And if I could just get the proper bearings for this turbo, for the old turbo, I'll rebuild it. And then I'll have a fully, another turbo to go with the engine. So, yeah, man, I'm going to, and I noticed this one is divided. My last one isn't. But, yeah, man, I'm going to go throw this thing on the car so I could drive it to work tonight. And, yeah, man, I'm excited. Wanted to show y'all guys what we working with here. I know there's been a million videos about rev9 turbos, but this is my first experience with them. So I wanted to let you guys know. This is the normal fin. Not fin, but inducer blade. Compared to that one, it looks a whole lot better. So they say the billet was supposed to perform better, last longer, so we'll see. I'll make another video later on. I gotta replace the pins to my Demon V2, so stay tuned. Let's get it. Let's go.